Eli here with Deep Discounts Club. Today I'm bringing you a look at 3 of Travel Depot's absolute travel necessities. The first one I got right here is this HDMI USB-C receiver slash transmitter. So basically go ahead and plug a portion of this into your TV. That would be this part right here. It's got HDMI. And then you'll go ahead and plug a USB into a power source. And then you got this right here. It's got USB-C, plug this into your laptop, into your phone, whatever you want to transmit, and it'll wirelessly send that content over to your TV. So that's super nice. Like if you're traveling, you got a hotel TV maybe that doesn't have all the smart apps that you're used to. You go ahead and plug this thing in and you can connect your Netflix from your phone, from your laptop, connect any of your streaming services and watch them on the big screen. Right here, we got this 10,000 milliamp per hour power bank. This is MagSafe compatible. So that means it offers wireless charging, great for whenever you need a boost of battery life, whether you're at the airport, maybe just on the go, just walking through a city and your battery's running low. You got this right here. Since it is MagSafe compatible, this thing goes ahead and sticks to the back of your iPhone. It can also be used for wireless charging with other devices as well. If you go ahead and open this thing up like so, what you're going to get right here is a spot to wirelessly charge up your smartwatch. So that's great. So it just basically has a super smooth action like so. But the nice thing is you can also just plug in your device if you don't want to use the wireless charging, and you can charge it that way. This thing comes with a USB-C to USB-C cable to charge this thing up. And it's also got this nice kickstand on the back here. So you can go ahead and set this up. You can also use your phone in an upright position. Finally, we're taking a look at this travel adapter. This is international travel adapter. And basically with this allows you to go ahead and travel to different countries that may use different types of plugs. And you go ahead and plug your devices in. It's got USB. It's got 2 USB-C ports. Then you go ahead and use these sliders over here to activate which plug you want. So we've got EU right here. Got that one. You can go ahead and slide that back. Then you've got USA, Australia, Japan. I'm pretty sure that you all use this one right here. And then here you got UK. And on the side here, you can also plug in your USA, Japan, or Australia typical plug right here. And then use this as an adapter to go ahead and also use that. So overall, I highly recommend these 3 devices from Travel Depot. One of them is great for like streaming if you're in a hotel room, sending stuff over to the TV to watch it on the big screen. One of them is great for international travel, for you to plug in things, but they have different outlets worldwide. You don't want to buy separate cords for that. You can go ahead and use this thing. And then one of them is great for charging up your devices, your phone, your smartwatch, and even does it wirelessly. So no need to carry an extra wire inside your pocket or anything like that. Check out Travel Depot. They've also got more electronics. Thanks for watching.